What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today got a special thing coming up. Going to be unboxing this part that came in, the special part that finally came in. No, you might say that it says teen. It's not actually a teen component at all. It's actually a used item. So we're going to go, I have not opened this yet. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. We're going to go through the contents, we're going to talk about it and what the future means for the Honda. So let's go ahead, let's get a knife or a pair of scissors or something I got laying around here, and let's open up this box. All right, I think I'm just going to use my keys to go ahead and open this. I mean, this tape is kind of thick. That's not. No, guys. Hold on a second. You know, if I would have looked in my car in the wagon, I would have seen that I had a knife in there. So, a little excited, but let's go ahead. I'm gonna open this son of a bitch up. Ugh. This is going to be so badass. All right. Let's where is the main portion? Oh man, this is going to be so badass. Alrighty. Yes. And what bam. We are going supercharger, boys. So this whole thing I found on Facebook Marketplace. This is a old school Vortech Supercharger kit for the B series. It's belt driven. It has everything in here. There is one thing that's missing, but I'll get to that in a little bit. But this is the big one right here. This is what's going to set this car completely different than a lot of other Hondas in my area. I do know of 2 other people that have this kit, that are running this kit out here in SoCal. And I've conversed with one of them, told me everything I should know, and we're going to look into it a little bit more. But this is it, and it looks like on the front section right here already started with got some V-band clamps and everything. So, and then we have the charge pipe that goes directly into the intake from the supercharger to the intake, intake manifold. Got all my lines in here. Got a belt, the supercharger belt, literally everything. And then, so the way that this kit works is that this is actually on the passenger side of the car, and then there is a shaft, which is this piece right here, that then bolts to the driver's side of the block where all the pulleys are at, and then it connects the whole thing together, and this thing just goes whooshy whoosh and makes power. But yeah, this is going to be just a great freaking part, and I cannot wait to put this on. There is one thing missing, and that is there is no intercooler. The guy I bought this off of ran it straight without any kind of water to air intercooler, and I do know a few people that do that, but I want to do that because for me it's going to be a reliability, and also can make a little bit more power because you're making colder, denser air. So that's the big reveal part that I have. Unlike a lot of other people that are doing K swaps and K24 swaps, and though it's more readily available, I'm deciding to go supercharged on the B series. I'm looking for 300, not crazy amount. I think 300 is perfect for the street. It'll especially pair well with those Falcon Zennies that I got sitting off to the side. So yeah, we're going to go for a nice well-balanced build with power to weight, not too much power. The torque curve is going to be nice. So yeah, I want to kind of leave this in the box right now, since I'm not yet ready to mock anything up. I do want to get that water to air intercooler set up, and then before I start mocking anything up, before I start welding anything, before I really start going through. And then there's a couple more pieces else that I need to do with it, and that is I need to get a Honda, I need injectors, and I need a fuel pump. I believe that's everything else I would need. There's a couple other things I want to do. I want to get a coil and plug kit, so that will kind of go through the whole thing, but I don't think I need that right away. But how exciting is this? This is going to be a supercharged B series old school build, but with some new school technology, and I think it's going to be great. Alrighty. All right, well, it's the next day. We got cars and coffee today, so I'm taking a daily since the Honda, if you watch the other video, the Honda's radiator decided to have a pinhole leak in it, and I really don't want to take it and just risk it getting bigger and just leaking more and just leaving me stranded. So I need to work on getting a new radiator for that. But today we're taking the wagon out. It was really windy. It's a nice like fall day. So yeah, we're going to take this out, go for a little cruise through the mountain afterwards, and then we'll What's up, everyone? I'm back in like the garage storage unit. Whatever. We're just gonna call it my garage, even though it's not. So I'm back here. Went for the drive with the wagon up the beach with my wife. I love that car. It's a great daily, even though it is a Subaru. But just to recap, it's really windy today. Really windy. But to recap, Vortech Supercharger going on the Honda soon. Need to get some supporting mods for that. We went to Cars and Coffee this morning. It was fantastic. It was fun, and then we went for a drive up the freeway to the beach. So, you know, yeah, some setbacks happen, but that gives us more opportunity to grow, and it gives us more opportunity to make things better, which I'm looking forward to. So let me know what you guys think of the Vortech. Is Supercharger your thing? I don't know. Or should I have just gone K? We'll see. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Please like, subscribe for more. See ya.